Cleaning your images from lens dirt or small objects is key to get better photos. And if better photos is what you're looking for, then let me show you how to use the healing brush tool in Photoshop to do exactly that. If you're new to photo editing, it can be an absolute game changer. First, open your image in Photoshop and then select the healing brush tool from the toolbar on the left-hand side of your screen. The healing brush tool looks like a band-aid. Get it? Because it's healing? Next, adjust the size of the brush by using the bracket keys on your keyboard or by clicking on the brush size in the top toolbar. Try to keep the size just a little larger than the area that you need to remove, basically. You may need to adjust the area you're sampling from. So basically tell Photoshop what to replace the unwanted stuff with. So hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and click on the area you want to sample from. That area should ideally have a similar pattern compared to the one where you remove stuff from. So don't sample in the sky if you're replacing foreground. Now, simply click and drag over the area you want to remove. Photoshop's healing brush will automatically sample pixels and try to remove the annoying stuff. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can remove unwanted objects or blemishes in your images using the healing brush tool. It's simple, yet powerful, and can make all the difference in your photos. Now, the healing brush tool is just one of many tools available to you in Photoshop to remove things. So don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. It's all non-destructive. And if you find this tutorial helpful, do hit that like and subscribe button if you so desire. And as always, stay safe and have a good one.